Hello everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to the 36th lesson of the Basic Japanese series for beginners. In this video, you will learn a sentence pattern which uses the conjunction Nagara and is used to indicate two different actions which are done at the same time. For example, watching a movie while drinking coffee, doing a part-time job while attending university, and so on. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use this sentence pattern and frame sentences on your own. So please watch it till the end. Let me begin with the conjunction Nagara, which means while doing or during, and is used to describe doing two different actions at the same time. It is placed in between two verbs, and the sentence pattern that you need to remember is verb 1, Nagara, verb 2. Here, the action denoted by the verb 1 is of lesser importance. In other words, the action denoted by the verb 2 is the more important one. And all that you have to do is remove must from the verb 1, add Nagara, and then add verb 2. Let me give you a few examples and the usage will become clear. The verb mimas means to watch or see. Say for example TV. On removing must, we will get me. And by adding nagara, we will get the expression minagara, which means while watching. And to say I drink coffee while watching TV, in Japanese it will be terebi o minagara kohi o nomimasu. Here there are two actions. The first action is terebi o mimasu, and the second action is kohi o nomimasu, which is the more important one, and that is why it is placed after nagara. Now let us change the order of the verbs and see. The verb nomimasu means to drink. Say for example coffee. On removing mas, we will get nomi, and by adding nagara, we will get the expression nomi nagara, which means while drinking. And to say I watch TV while drinking coffee, in Japanese it will be kohi o nomi nagara terebi o mimasu. Here again there are two actions, but the first action is kohi o nomimasu, and the second action is terebi o mimasu, which has become more important now, and that is why it is placed after nagara. Just remember, the action which is the more important one will come after nagara. Let me go to the next example. The verb tabemasu means to eat or have. Say for example lunch. On removing mas, we will get tabe, and by adding nagara, we will get the expression tabe nagara, which means while eating or while having. And to ask, shall we talk over lunch? Which in other words means, shall we talk while having lunch? In Japanese it will be, hiru gohan o tabe nagara hanashimasen ka? Here the emphasis is on talking and not on having lunch. Let me go to the next example. The verb torimasu means to take. Say for example notes. On removing mas, we will get tori, and by adding nagara, we will get the expression tori nagara, which means while taking. And to say please listen to the explanation while taking notes, in Japanese it will be memo o tori nagara setsume o kiite kudasai. Here the emphasis is on listening to the explanation and not on taking notes. Let me go to the next example. The verb kikimasu means to listen. Say for example to music. On removing mas, we will get kiki, and by adding nagara, we will get the expression kiki nagara, which means while listening. And to say every morning I exercise while listening to music, in Japanese it will be maiasa ongaku o kiki nagara undo shite imasu. Here the emphasis is on doing exercise and not on listening to music. Let me go to the next example. The verb hikimasu means to play. Say for example a musical instrument like piano. On removing mas, we will get hiki, and by adding nagara, we will get the expression hiki nagara, which means while playing. And to say I can sing while playing the piano, in Japanese it will be ピアノを弾きながら歌うことができます。Let me go to the next example. The verb arukimasu means to walk. On removing mas, we will get aruki. And by adding nagara, we will get the expression aruki nagara, which means while walking. And to say, please don't smoke while walking, in Japanese it will be aruki nagara tabako o suwanai de kudasai. Let me go to the next example. The verb shimas means to do. Say, for example, an activity. On removing mas, we will get shi. And by adding nagara, we will get the expression shinagara, which means while doing. And to say, I attend university while doing a part-time job, in Japanese it will be arubaito shinagara daigaku ni kayotte imasu. Let me go to the next example. The verb sosa shimasu means to operate. Say, for example, a machine. On removing mas, we will get sosa shi. And by adding nagara, we will get the expression sosa shinagara, which means while operating. And to say, please do not speak while operating the machine, in Japanese it will be kikai o sosa shinagara hanasanai de kudasai. Let me go to the next example. The verb hatsuon shimasu means to pronounce. Say, for example, words. On removing mas, we will get hatsuon shi. And by adding nagara, we will get the expression hatsuon shinagara, which means while pronouncing. And to say, let us memorize the words while pronouncing in the class, in Japanese it will be クラスで発音しながら言葉を覚えましょう. Now, with all these examples, I think you will be able to use the word Nagara and describe two simultaneous actions without any difficulty. So that is it for now. I hope this video was useful. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to sub below. And if you found the video good, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.